We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive, expert-driven overview of the TakeFlight Tactical Pen, a self-defense pen with flashlight and multi-tool features. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, using it supports the channel. The TakeFlight Tactical Pen is designed to be a discreet, lightweight, and streamlined everyday carry tool. Constructed from aircraft-grade, CNC machined aluminum, it promises maximum strength-to-weight ratio, making it both rugged and durable while remaining light enough for daily use. Unlike many survival multi-tool pens that are bulky and obvious, this pen clips easily onto your pocket, ensuring quick access without drawing unwanted attention. The brand emphasizes that this pen is not just a novelty item but a professional-grade tool inspired by equipment used by military personnel, first responders, and SWAT teams. One of the most praised features is the pen's multifunctionality. It combines an emergency glass breaker tip, a screwdriver, an LED pen flashlight, a bottle opener, and a functional ballpoint pen, all discreetly integrated into a sleek body. The inclusion of 2 ink refills and an extra set of batteries for the flashlight is frequently mentioned as a thoughtful addition, enhancing the overall value and user experience. The pen is packaged in a professional gift box, making it a popular choice as a gift for men and women interested in self-defense, survival, or unique gadgets. Users consistently highlight the pen's practicality for keeping in a car or bag. The glass breaker function stands out as a key safety feature, with several reviewers expressing peace of mind knowing they have a reliable tool for emergencies, such as breaking a window after an accident or during a fire. The flashlight, though small, is described as surprisingly bright and effective for its size, suitable for most everyday tasks where a quick burst of light is needed. The pen's weight and construction are frequently praised, with many users noting its solid, well-machined feel and the confidence it inspires in hand. However, the pen is not without its drawbacks. A recurring theme in user feedback is the inconvenience of accessing the ballpoint pen. To use it, one must unscrew and detach part of the tool, which can feel awkward, especially for those with larger hands or when using the pen in public. This design means that the rest of the pen must be set aside while writing, which some find impractical for regular note-taking or professional settings. The pen is also heavier than standard writing implements, which may not suit those looking for a lightweight everyday pen for extended writing sessions. Another point of criticism concerns the fit and finish of the pen. While many users are impressed by the engineering and overall build quality, some have reported issues such as blemishes in the black finish near the tip, or loose multi-tool components upon arrival. The friction lock mechanism for attaching the cap to the back of the pen when switching between the glass breaker and pen sides is seen as a potential weak point, particularly for those intending to use the pen in active or demanding environments. Compared to lower-priced tactical pens from brands like Smith & Wesson or Uzi, a few reviewers feel that the TakeFlight pen's finish does not always justify its price. Despite these criticisms, the consensus is that the pen excels as a multi-tool and emergency device. The glass breaker is described as robust and effective, not merely a decorative feature. The flashlight, while basic with a single mode and no strobe function, is considered adequate for most needs. The inclusion of extra batteries and ink refills is universally appreciated, reducing the need for immediate additional purchases and ensuring the tool remains functional over time. The pen's packaging receives high marks for its professional appearance and suitability as a gift. Many buyers have given the pen as a present for occasions such as Father's Day, birthdays, or as part of a bug-out bag or self-defense kit. Recipients often express enthusiasm for the pen's versatility and the novelty of having multiple tools in a compact forearm. Device enthusiasts and gadget lovers, in particular, find the pen appealing for its engineering and the fun of exploring its various functions. In terms of durability, the pen's aluminum construction and careful machining suggest it is built to withstand regular use and the occasional drop or impact. The glass breaker tip, in particular, is highlighted for its effectiveness in real-world scenarios, providing users with a genuine sense of security. The screwdriver and bottle opener, while secondary features, add to the pen's utility and make it a handy companion for everyday carry. From a value perspective, opinions are mixed. Some users feel the pen is expensive relative to competing products, especially given occasional issues with finish or assembly. However, many justify the price based on the pen's overall design, the quality of materials, and the peace of mind it offers in emergencies. The pen's versatility and the inclusion of replacement parts further enhance its perceived value, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a reliable multi-tool for their car, bag, or home. The TakeFlight Tactical Pen is not intended as a replacement for a dedicated flashlight, screwdriver, or writing instrument, but rather as an all-in-one emergency tool that can handle a variety of situations. Its discreet appearance and compact size make it suitable for those who value preparedness without sacrificing portability. While it may not be the best choice for someone who needs a pen for frequent writing or flashlight for extended use, it excels as a backup tool and a thoughtful gift for anyone interested in personal safety or survival gear. In summary, the TakeFlight Tactical Pen stands out for its combination of durability, functionality, and thoughtful design. Its strengths lie in its robust glass breaker, bright flashlight, and the convenience of having multiple tools in a single pocket-sized device. The main drawbacks are the awkwardness of accessing the pen for writing, the pen's weight, and occasional issues with fit and finish. For those seeking a versatile emergency tool or a unique gift, the TakeFlight Tactical Pen is a strong contender, provided its limitations are understood. If you have experience with this pen, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the link to the product is in the description and using it supports the channel.